Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our second session for coding and decoding. In the previous session, we have discussed some basic problems. In this session, we'll be discussing more such problems, and I'm sure you're having your paper and pen with you. So just try the problems on your own and then match your solutions and answer with mine, right? So this way you will be able to practice a lot, right? So let's begin the session. Now friends, let's say this question. In the following question, a word has been coded and its code is written against it to the left of the sign ball. The word is to the right of it has been coded on the same principle and the code is given as one of the four alternatives under it. To find the answer, you have to consult the matching of small letters against the capital letters as given below and arrive at the principle involved in the coding. The coding in each question has not necessarily been done on the same pattern. So we have to find the correct alternative in each case and accordingly we have to mark the answers. Now, let's see the first one. HEART, that's heart, as written as BKLMP. We have to find out the code for NERVOUS, right? Now HSB, ESK, ASL, R, that means it's crossing, right? That means this is matched with the next letter in the bottom line, right? So N must be matched with V. So friends, we just have a single option where N is written as V, right? That's this option, right? E is written as K, E is written as K. After that R must be written as M. So this is the correct option, right? Just a single option where N is written as V. So you don't need to check further. And since there is no none of this, you don't have to worry, right? I hope you are clear. Now friends, let's say this one. Here, this word SERMON is written as MJMZWB. SSM. Let's see, SSM, okay, so this directly below it, then ESJ, then RSM, then further MSZ directly below, then OSW, this way, then NSV this way. That means the series is going like this. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, right? So this sequence is being repeated. So F is further directly bottom, directly below it. So that's K. That means this option and this option, these are wrong. F is K. A must be this way. So that this way must be E, right? So this option is correct, right? Because in this the second letter is not E, right? You can verify the third one also. That's P. So that this must be the connection must be this way. So that's T. T is this way. So that's P. Okay. So that's the correct one. Now let's say this one. Here, MASTER, M is written as W, M as W, A as L, S as C, that means this stuff crosses are made. Okay, that means what we have to do, we have to write seldom. So S will be written as C. So we have two options, this and this. Then E. We should not choose E because the second letter is same, the third letter is same, the fourth letter is same. The difference is coming in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth letter, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see how O is written. So O is actually Q. So that's there in this option. In this option, it's W, right? So this is the correct choice. Okay. So this way you can save some of your time if you just have a glance on the options. I hope you are getting me. A will be the correct choice. Now say this. The C is written as D, C, D, L, T, L, T, A, N, A, N. It's very simple. You just have to write the word just immediately below to it, right? So B, O, R, D, E, R, L, L, L. We have three options with L and just one option with the V. So what we do over here, we match the first one and the last one because the combination is unique over here. So B is actually L and R is O, right? So first letter means O, L, and last must be O, right? So these two options still we need to check. We can go for the second. See, second is different between these two, right? So second is O, so O is actually V. That means this is the correct option, right? Now we see this one. MADRAS is coded as NZEQBR. We have to write for CALCUTTA, right? Now M to N, that means one step ahead, and A to Z, that means one step backward. D to E ahead, R to Q backward, that means this and this. Very simple. C will be written as D, so these two options are eliminated. Then A will be written as Z. Now what we have to do, as I have already discussed, to save time, what we have to do, we have to match the options like where we are getting the different letter, right? Up to V same, right? Now what we should do, 1 2 3 4 5 till 1 2 3 4 5 we should not see, we should see for this T, right? Now we can see there are two T's, and over here the arrangement or the replacement is like one step ahead and one step backward, right? So both the T's cannot take the same value, obviously, because for this T, if we are going this way, then for this T we have to go this way, right? So both the T's cannot take the same value, so this option is obviously wrong. This is the correct one. Getting my point? I just repeat over here. For the first letter, we are taking the next letter. For the second letter, we are taking the previous, the next, previous, next, previous, right? So what this is how we are replacing over here to decode this. Now, in this case, if the same procedure is going on, then next, previous, next, previous, next, previous, next. That means for this T, we have to write the previous letter. For this T, we have to write the next letter. So both the T cannot be replaced by the same letter, right? So this option is wrong. This is the correct one. Okay. Now this question, B to Z, R to P, O to M, W to U, N to L. That means the second letter from the left side, right? Here we can see like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, right? If the cycle of alphabets goes on, then we'll be getting like this. Okay, now B is replaced by Z. That means they have one letter in between, right? R is replaced by P. So we have the sequence like P, Q, R, right? So R is replaced by P. That is a letter that is two step left to it. Okay. So the same has to be followed over here. So V, it's a R, S, T, U, V, right? So V should be replaced by T. That's there in the three options. So this is wrong. Now second letter we will not check because that is G everywhere. Now we come for the third letter, that is O. So O, L, M, N, O. So O should be replaced by M, right? So that's there in these two options. So this is also wrong. Now for M, J and C we will not check. Now the unique is R and Q. So we'll check for T. Now T is replaced by R. Okay. So this is the correct choice. I hope you are clear. Reference problems based on coding and decoding are not going to be difficult. Most of the students, what is the mistake they make over here? They just try to convert the entire word. Suppose I have written brown to ZPMUL, then they try to convert the entire VOILET into the correct word. Now in this process, they waste time, right? So just have a glance on the options. Now after that, you have to decide which letter should be taken or which letter should be chosen, so you can get instant answer, right? And that you might have seen over here how I have eliminated the options. Okay, let's take one or two more examples. Now we see this one. System SYSTEM is written as SYSMET. That means the last three letters are the sequence is reversed, right? Instead of TEM, they have written MET, right? Now here in this case NEARER, that means AEN, that means AEN. The first three words are also getting changed. Now what is happening over here? In this case R and R is same, and in this case S and S is same, so we cannot make out the difference. Precisely what is happening? The half of the letters, the order is getting changed, and for the remaining half of the letters, the order is getting changed. Now we are given here the 6th letter word, but in the question we are asked for the 8th letter word, right? FRACTION. So first of all, we have to break it from the center. Now FRAC, we have to change the order, that is CARF, right? CARF. That's there only in the one option. So this should be the correct, right? And it must be NOIT. So that's correct. Okay. So very easy. Now let's see this question. If this word is coded as this, then we have to find out for this word. Now first of all, we have to check how it is happening. N and we have two N. So N is replaced by this sign, and this N is also replaced by this sign. That means it's just simple replacement of the letters, right? E and E, we have two E's, and for E, this Q is written, right? Now the problem becomes very simple. You have to find out the code from this given expression, and you have to fit it over here. Now friends, while doing this problem, we will not check for the first three letters because these three letters are common in among all the options, right? So forget the first three options, first three letters. After that, there is a difference. Here we are having number sign, and here we are having the question mark. So fourth, that is L. Now here L is the fourth from the last. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means L must be number sign. So this option is incorrect, right? After that, this is plus plus, and this is B. So W is actually its plus sign, right? So even this option is incorrect. Now it's B, it's question mark. We have to choose for the second last word, that is O, right? And we don't have any code for O over here, right? That means O should not be replaced by any of these maybe symbol, we can say, right? We should have a different symbol for that, so that we have over here, right? Because in this we have the question mark, and question mark is actually, this is the fourth one, and here it's Z, right? So this option is wrong. This is finally the correct answer. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Now here AMRIT SAR is coded like this. Just try to find out. AM, it's MARIIR TSST. Now it's very simple. That means CA should be written as AC, right? So this option is eliminated. LC should be written as CL, right? So after AC, CL must be there. So this option is correct. And even we have CL over here. So this option is eliminated, right? After that, suppose we choose this T and S, right? That means U and T, they should be written as T and U, right? So T and U we have over here, right? So this is the correct option. I hope you are clear. Now we'll say this. Here A, C and E is coded as 3, 7, 29 and 11, right? And we have to find the coding of B, O, I, L. Now A is 3, C is 7. We see the relationship A, B, C, D, E. I just take out this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 is written as 3, C that is written as 7, E is written as 11. So what we can see, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, right? So it's simple. We have to find out for B, O, I, L. First is same for all the options. So straight go for this O. Now friends, M is the 13th letter of alphabet, right? L, M, N, O. This is 13. That means this is 14. This is 15. So 15 into 2 plus 1, that is 31. That means O should be replaced by 31. So these two options are wrong, right? Now 21 and 19, and we have I over here. So I, J, K, L. So this is 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. So it's 9 into 2 plus 1, that is 18 plus 1, 19, right? So this option is correct. Okay. I hope you are clear. Now let's see this problem. Here FLARE is coded as this. How would brief BREIF be coded? Now F is 21. A is, I see for A is 26. Bright chances are that is it's a reverse alphabetical order, right? We see for E is a fifth from left to right. Now it is 22. That means it's fifth from right hand side. Now that is pretty clear that it is reverse alphabetical order. So B should be A is 26. That means B should be 25. So these two options are incorrect, right? Now from these two, I can choose F. F is actually 21. So this option is in fact incorrect. This option is correct because F is 21, right? So I'm sure you are clear. The problem can be done just in maybe 20 to 30 seconds, and it's very easy. So friends, we will be discussing more problems based on coding and decoding in our next session. Do revise this session and the previous one, right? Bye-bye.